Most people get this wrong when trying to get Hulu on a Spectrum cable box. They assume the Hulu app is already built into every Spectrum receiver. But here's the problem. In 2026, most Spectrum cable boxes still do not support Hulu directly. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your ability to watch Hulu depends more on your TV or streaming device than the Spectrum box itself. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get Hulu working with your Spectrum setup, which devices actually support Hulu, and the fastest way to fix common installation problems. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is this. Traditional Spectrum cable boxes mainly support cable television features, not advanced streaming apps. This is where most people fail immediately. For example, Alex spent almost an hour searching through the Spectrum menu, looking for Hulu. The app simply didn't exist because his cable receiver wasn't designed for streaming apps. So before doing anything else, check what type of device you're using. If you have a smart TV like Samsung, LG, Roku TV or Sony, you can usually install Hulu directly from the TV's App Store. If you use a Roku stick, Fire TV stick, Apple TV, Chromecast, Xbox or PlayStation, Hulu works there too. Now here's where it gets interesting. You do not need a special Spectrum cable box to watch Hulu. You only need a compatible streaming device connected to your TV and Spectrum internet service. For example, Jake had an older Spectrum box that couldn't run Hulu at all. Instead of replacing the entire setup, he plugged a Fire TV stick into his TV and started streaming Hulu within minutes. That's usually the easiest solution. Now in a minute, I'll show you how to fix Hulu activation issues if the app installs but won't load. But first, let's finish the setup process. Once you have a supported device, download the Hulu app. Open it. Then sign in using your Hulu email and password. And this part is important. Do not use your Spectrum account login unless your Spectrum plan specifically includes Hulu access through a bundle. Hulu normally works with its own separate account system. Now here's where many users get confused. Sometimes Hulu shows an activation code instead of a normal login screen. Don't panic. Simply open the activation website shown on your TV using your phone or laptop. Enter the code displayed on the screen and sign into your Hulu account. After a few seconds, the TV should refresh automatically. But here's the problem. Many users accidentally activate the wrong Hulu account. For example, John had 2 different Hulu emails and signed into the wrong one during setup. Hulu loaded, but his subscription and watch history were missing. So always double-check your email before confirming activation. Now let's fix the most common streaming issue. If Hulu keeps buffering or crashing, restart both your Spectrum modem and your streaming device. Also make sure the Hulu app is fully updated. Older app versions often cause playback problems. And if Hulu still won't work, uninstall and reinstall the app completely. That clears corrupted app data surprisingly often. So to summarize, most Spectrum cable boxes don't support Hulu directly, but you can easily stream Hulu using a smart TV or streaming device connected to your Spectrum internet. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more streaming tutorials and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.